This is an 8-row repeat worked on a multiple of 5. For my sample, I cast on 15 stitches with DK weight yarn and US size 7 needles. This is the front, and this is the back. For row 1, you're going to repeat purl 1, knit 4. That's all you'll do for the rest of row 1. Repeat purl 1, knit 4. For row 2, you're going to repeat purl 3, knit 2 for the entire row. So you just purl 3, knit 2. For row 3, again you're just going to repeat purl 3, knit 2 for the entire row. Purl 3, knit 2. For row 4, you're going to repeat purl 1, knit 4 across the row. So you just purl 1, knit 4. For row 5, you're going to repeat knit 4, purl 1 across the row. So you knit 4, and purl 1. For row 6, you're going to repeat knit 2, purl 3 across the row. So you just knit 2 and purl 3. For row 7, again we're just going to repeat knit 2, purl 3 for the entire row. Knit 2 and purl 3. And finally, row 8, you're going to repeat knit 4, purl 1 across the row. So you knit 4, and purl 1. And you just repeat those 8 rows for the pattern.